Hey guys, this is going to be a quick video about how to compile SDL2 from source. It's really not that hard, but a lot of people don't understand how CMake works, so that's why I'll explain that to you. First thing that you'll want to do is you want to go on to libsdl.org, that is the official website. Go to download 2.0, not runtime binaries, not development libraries. You want to go to source code. If you're on Linux, you'll select tar.gz. If you're on Windows, you'll select .zip. Download that. Save it. Now that you have your download in a good directory, what you'll want to do is you'll extract that. I'm using pzip here. You want to download CMake and install that. Hopefully you know which one you need based on your platform. For example, I'm using Windows 64 installer. Once you've installed that, you want to launch CMake, browse source, go to the folder where you have it, and then within that new folder, you make another called build. Then once you make sure that you've selected the highest up level of the folder that you just downloaded, you'll click configure. And this is where you have to make a choice. So if you're using Visual Studio like I am, you'll select the platform that you're going to be developing for. Generally, the average person I would say would be using Visual Studio 15 2017 regular, not Windows 64. However, if you think you will be using a lot of RAM, then you configure it for Windows 64. If you're going to be using MinGW and that compiler and code blocks, then you will select MinGW makefiles. You don't need any arguments. You don't need any of these. Configuring will create all the options that you have to choose from. I just leave them default. But if, for example, you might not want DirectX because you're going to be using OpenGL, you untick this box. But I'm going to leave it ticked because I love having options and not having to do more work. Here you can change this if for some reason you want more configuration types, but I don't think that they made any for this, so that won't change anything. And then this is actually important. This is where all of your files get built to. The final version. So I'm making a new version. There we go. Just gonna leave this as is. Once you finish selecting everything that you're gonna select, then you'll click generate. And this part also differs based on your IDE. You'll open up your build folder and you'll go to all build dot whatever your IDE is. That could be a MinGW makefile, in which case you would open MySys2 and do make, and then that file, build solution. Right now we're finished, so you'll want to go to install. Open that in your IDE, right click, left click, build. Once succeeded, and there you have it. Inside your folder, you have all of the tools that you need.